House Legal Counsel to present the charter documents for your presidential assent. The signed charter shall remain displayed at the presidential ceremonial desk. Your Excellency the President, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, you may now kindly take your seats. Your Excellency, sir, I now invite the Chief Executive Officer of the Commission for University Education to proceed with the second segment of this afternoon's ceremony.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency. I will take us through the next part of this ceremony, and I'll begin by reading the announcement. This is the announcement by the Secretary